And there's also a railroad on the other side of
see.
the park near the pony runs. That's
like we got plenty of pressure.
It's like a travel town ride-on.
Shouldn't that be
Okay,
running?
now remember,
So-
there can be, if the safety valve opens, it may spew hot steam out the top there.
Sit down.
Where are the others?
There we go. Steam power.
Yeah, but where are the others?
So you use
Well, that's the patience part we were talking about.
3-in-1. I can smell it.
Yes, get that sweet, you know, if you were running
the
oil
oil's actually coming out.
through a superheater, that would be a huge
Yes.
no-no. If you
See,
were
that's
running a
coming
load
out.
on the engine,
That's
not
okay.
so good. But it's the 3-in-1 blue label, which is actually a 20 weight. It's
Yeah.
a little bit heavier, but yeah.
The other thing I was thinking
That's
about,
coming
because
out.
you
Yep.
want a non-detergent
Do you see they
oil,
made a little pocket for it?
compressor oil.
They
Harbor
intended
That
it
would be-
to.
because it's non-detergent.
That makes sense.
Where's the others?
Others what?
The kids.
Oh,
They went with Carrie.
Where?
You can get these things running to the point where they will walk off.
Oh,
the
they'll
table.
walk off the table, yeah. Just starting to move. That's a little fast. No good steam man runs an engine that fast. I didn't say I was.
Hey, what about put this
Don't
down?
touch.
Okay,
That's the
now
whistle.
the chain, notice that's actually cool is because there's very little contact between it. So you can pull the chain, just don't touch the black handle. It's actually got more pressure and that whistle doesn't really whistle very well.
Only dogs can hear
Yeah,
this.
maybe a dog is screeching right
I know, trains. Chee chee.
now. So now if we close the throttle, you can close the throttle. Just keep your hand away from anything that's metal. So only touch the red plastic.
Oh.
Is that okay with you
Can
guys?
Like, tell
Okay.
this
So
red?
you can close the yeah, that is a blow
Just be
down
very
valve. We're not going to touch it. So this is the
What
throttle.
was that?
That's the handle for the fuel tray. So but this one, if you want to stop the engine, go ahead and stop the engine and we'll make it run the other direction. So turn it closed by closing the faucet on a,
Other way. Other way.
you'll feel which way. Okay, and once it's closed, now if you push the engine the opposite direction, we can make it run the other way. So turn the engine flywheel this way. This is cool.
But it's hot.
This is cool. I wouldn't make you touch something hot. Okay, now open the throttle and it'll run the other direction.
Slowly.
Here she goes. So you notice this time, looking from this way, it's going counterclockwise. There you go. Too bad it doesn't whistle, huh?
Trail.
Very cool.
Oops, it's up.
You'll get the hang of
Oh.
it. See how, let's see. What's fun sometimes to see how slow you can make it go. So I'm going to disconnect the belt because that makes a lot of friction there. Actually, go ahead and stop it for me for just a second. Thank you. Let's take that off. Okay, now go ahead and run it.
See how slow you can make it run.
It's okay. Go ahead and turn it down. There you go.
It's okay.
It's all right.
That's the slowest you can do it.
It might stop because over time the cylinder gets cold because it doesn't get as much steam. So it's pretty tricky to get it to run slow for a long time.
And you can change direction.
Yes, it has a slip eccentric.
Cool.
And right now it might be in between, so let's see what we can do.
What's the smoke coming out from?
That's steam.
That's actually steam.
What
This is the.
steam?
If
It
your
used to
mom
be
puts
water.
a pot of water on the stove to make spaghetti, the stuff that's coming off
Yeah.
the water when the water gets hot, that's steam.
Oh, like
You're
this?
using steam under pressure.
And see that
But
pressure.
how do you put this out? Is there like a little...
Watch your fingers because that steam is very hot.
Because like you pull this up and there's something pulling up.
There's actually, you see,
the
there's a
lever?
pivot.
Yeah.
the
Oh, I
lever there?
see it.
There's two.
Oh, it's coming off and
It's
then...
pulling a rod, and that rod has a little point that goes down into a hole with a gasket in it. And when it comes up out of that gasket, it lets steam out.
Now, this is a model of a stationary steam engine that would work in a factory. And this pulley, this big flywheel here, would run a belt that would run a line shaft along the ceiling where all the other
Oh my
machines
goodness.
ran off the belt. Have you seen the video of them firing up the engine at East Broad Top
No.
the first time?
No.
You
That-
can touch this part.
Be careful that you're not touching
I've
anything
seen a
else.
few videos recently, it just blew my mind. Fabrication of an entire locomotive from the
guys in Britain,
Yes.
you know,
So they-
with tornadoes.
Yes.
They're
Yes.
A1 projects.
Oh, that, you know, and just be very careful. Only
Don't touch.
touch the chain. Don't touch anything else.
Well, like this, you can't touch.
Oh, no, you can touch that. I'm talking to them because they're reaching over.
Yeah.
Just like that.
Okay, let her try. Just grab the chain. Don't touch anything else.
It's okay. The chain is fine.
Chain's fine. Go ahead and grab it.
It's not hot. Just don't touch it.
Now I'm getting the engine. This way. It's a
Right.
whistle.
The whistle.
Yeah, it's a whistle.
Don't pass out.
So once you reverse the engine for me. Yeah. So turn it off, and then see it was going that way. So turn the flywheel this way.
Go ahead. It's not hot.
Yeah, flywheel's cool. And then just open the throttle again, and it'll go the other way.
Just go this way.
This way is good.
Towards you.
It'll go now. Yeah, you're mid stroke. There you go.
It's not going.
Said I tightened it too much. Go ahead and try it now. Other way.
Don't touch that.
Go ahead and blow the whistle a little more. We're building up more pressure than we're using. Jim Overland.
What?
This used to be Jim Overland. I picked it up in Portland, I don't know, last year or the year before. Yeah.
Back.
Did you bring your laptop?
I did.
Is it up tomorrow?
Sure. What you got?
I need power. I need a charge.
Oh, like the
Let's
USB?
get the engine.
No problem. Yeah, I'll be
Left
bringing it
home
in.
Yeah, I've
without
been
your
doing so
charger.
much, my battery's gone.
Yeah,
need from which point?
Well, this morning as I was leaving the house, the wife's saying, "Did you pack this?" Yes. Pack this? Yes. Your charger for your phone? Oh yeah.
Yeah.